Oh, hey, I can see really well in here.
Just leave it on the whole time.
I'm not gonna leave it on the whole time. That would waste shit.
What if you miss something?
Well, what if you miss something?
What if you just waste it and then when the battery dies, you see something?
What if you see something right now? And it's water. Oh my god. My heart stopped. It's down there.
I can't hear it.
Listen.
But why would that be scary?
Cause we thought it was a truck.
It stopped.
No, it didn't. I can still hear it. It's right there. Look, I can see it. It's right there.
No, if I turn this way, you can hear it.
Well, you're deaf. But Elena, you never ever capture what you see on camera. And you never ever see what you capture on camera.
My fingers aren't even cold until we start.
I'm gonna watch behind us. What would you do if this was the part when we saw shit?
If like people were,
I would be like,
on
oh.
us.
No, dude. Like it's like one of them statues.
Oh god.
It's running
I
behind
wonder-
us until we look. Okay.
I wonder if like that counts as looking.
I think it does.
What?
Like, if
This.
you have a camera on, like,
No,
the
because the
weakest
person
distance,
vision. Like, I don't know.
or if like it has to be like a person.
Probably the person.
But this is an eye. You can see.
But yeah, but we can't.
Look at it, free.
We don't notice it.
I would like form a circle and just like hold it
Forever.
in my eye.
Forever.
You can only hold.
Be like,
You only gotta hold over one at a time.
The bridge.
This bridge was built in 1868. I'd be like, Paris, because it's over water.
I'd run.
There's the water. Oh my god. So where them dead babies you've been talking about? You really just eat snow?
That way.
He like,
Far
he
that way.
like just so casual went,
I don't know.
like it was like,
I am pretty thirsty.
like it was no big deal.
Just tasting the earth. There's the football field.
Oh yeah. No, that's the practice field. Football field's up there. You can see it. You can see the wall from it. I'm doing that thing where I stay like in focus and everything behind me moves.
I think I'm just gonna fall over.
You
At
are.
any point, just like face plant.
Alright, John, what do you want to tell me that what his mom said?
Oh, first I'm going to point out the fact that each one of these steps is a tombstone. So are those ones.
What?
The steps are tombstones.
Why would you want to be buried?
That's what I said. There's an angel. There it is.
It doesn't have very much though.
Yeah, it has snow on it though.